Hi, I'm Jason with Solutions Pest and Lawn, and this is Pest Support, where you ask the questions and we give the answers. Our question today is, what causes roaches in a clean house? Even though you have a really clean house, roaches can enter multiple ways. They can come up through a drain in your sink or in your bathtub. They can squeeze in like a burglar, through windows or through doors. Typically, when they stumble into your home, they're just looking for a few things: water, food, and shelter. They don't really belong inside. German roaches don't naturally live outside, so if you're in a single-family home, they probably did not come from a neighbor. They're brought in by something, someone, or someplace. So if you have a clean house and you notice German roaches, did you recently visit a thrift store, a garage sale, or a second-hand shop? Heck, sometimes you can even bring them in from the grocery store. If you live in a multiple dwelling unit, such as an apartment, a condo, or a townhome, these guys can travel from dwelling to dwelling, so this will now give you one more excuse to hate your neighbors. I'm Jason with Solutions Pest and Lawn, and this is Pest Support. If you have any pest control questions you need answers to, or have any pest-related problems you need help with, stop by one of our stores, visit our website, or give us a call and get help today. German roaches don't... There he is, every day. He must have gotten off work a couple minutes early today.